Jetsono claims to be a powerful pressure washer that can clean tough dirt 10 times faster, saving users from hiring expensive services. It boasts multiple spray patterns, military-grade durability, and eco-friendly efficiency. The company also states that it works on driveways, patios, fences, and cars, making it seem like the perfect cleaning tool. But does it actually live up to these promises, or is it just another overhyped product? Let's dive in and uncover the truth. If you visit Jetsono's official website, you'll notice nothing but glowing reviews. It all seems too good to be true, but a deeper investigation tells a different story. A quick search on Trustpilot and other review platforms reveals numerous complaints from real buyers. Many users claim the product is weak, nowhere near as powerful as advertised, and barely removes dirt. Some even go as far as calling it a scam, reporting that it doesn't work any better than a regular garden hose. Another major concern is the authenticity of their promotional videos. Some users have pointed out that Jetsono's demo videos appear to be misleading. There are claims that they secretly use a high-powered €1,100 pressure washer to create the illusion of superior cleaning performance. If true, this means the product being sold to customers isn't the same as the one being showcased in advertisements. Then there's the issue of media endorsements. The Jetsono website proudly displays logos of well-known media outlets like ABC, Daily Mail, and Fox, suggesting that it has been featured by these sources, but when you actually search for these supposed features, there's no evidence to be found. The product images used on their website are also questionable. The before and after cleaning photos look impressive, but a reverse image search reveals that the same pictures are used on multiple websites. This indicates that these aren't original Jetsono test results, but rather stock images or stolen marketing material. Finally, their sales tactics are another red flag. If you visit the site, you'll likely see pop-ups claiming you've unlocked a huge discount or that stock is running low. These are classic pressure selling techniques designed to rush you into making a purchase without thinking twice. The use of flashy terms like military-grade power and 10x faster cleaning only adds to the gimmicky nature of the marketing. Considering all of these issues, fake reviews, misleading videos, false media claims, and aggressive sales tricks, it's hard to trust Jetsono's promises. If the product truly worked, why would they need to rely on deception? If you were thinking about buying this pressure washer, it's best to do thorough research and consider alternatives before spending your hard-earned money.